So we had a really rough night with gusts on like 46 knots, and at one point when we came up, the dinghy had turned over with the engine on. So after that, the work started with checking the engine. Could it be fixed, or was we in that position that we had to buy a new engine? Over to Svante, the fixing man. Det funkar! It's working!
Yeah, it's working again.
Yeah, wow! What happened? What happened from the beginning?
Sorry?
What happened from the beginning?
Flipped over. The dinghy flipped over, so it was underwater. So I took the fuel system apart, the carburetor, cleaned it with alcohol, and got new oil in it, new spark plug. So now it's running again. And when I was cleaning the carburetor with the alcohol,
Yeah?
I realized that I had alcohol for the water maker. So I cleaned it with. And that was perfect. So that's actually the proof that evolution is going backwards. Because there was this guy 2,000 years ago, he made alcohol out of water. Now we make water out of alcohol. Ah.
Oh.
It's going backwards. It's going
True.
backwards.
But it's, yeah.
Stop.
Yeah. It's working. It looks a little bit spectacular, but yeah. Anyway,
No one steals it.
no one steals it. No. You have to know the tricks to start it.
Oh well, now I'm happy again.
Yay! Time for new adventures. Of course, it was easier to do the work on land, so Svante took the dinghy in and the motor off and cleaned it with fresh water and, yeah, give it some of his Svante love, and it worked. Magic. We are so happy.